Welcome to the second day of MC2, the MT Connect Conference 2013. For IMTSTV, I'm Penny Brown, and I'm here with John Wilczynski, Program Manager at NCDMM, and one of our speakers here at MC2. How are you today, John?
I'm great, thanks.
So you had a really interesting presentation about the need for a killer app for MT Connect, and you kind of based it on a smartphone model. Can you kind of give us an overview of that?
So the idea of MT Connect and the way we presented it was that MT Connect is similar to the platform that a smartphone is built on, but the value of the smartphone or MT Connect really comes in the applications that are built on top of it. So the interesting apps that you go out and get from the iPhone or the iStore, we're looking to duplicate that kind of store setting for MT Connect, where you can go out and get applications that are appropriate for your business and have customized applications based on the needs that you have.
Now, I understand you've actually identified some areas of need for development of applications. What are those?
So we have identified a number of different application areas, and we've evaluated a couple different reports, and there were 6 or so different common themes that arose, and they were in the areas of utilization, which is a common theme currently within MT Connect, but beyond that we were looking at part quality, machine health or monitoring and prognosis of the actual equipment while you're running it, similar to the way your body tells you that you need help or need to have something repaired. We're looking for machine tool applications to start collecting that kind of health data so that you can know to go in and get repaired like you go into the doctor versus having it break and have a catastrophic failure on the floor.
So I understand, speaking of apps and their development, you are the point person for a very exciting thing called MT Connect Challenge. Tell us about that.
So what we are kicking off on April 12th is the first phase of the MT Connect Challenge, which is sponsored by the DoD. And the challenge, there's 2 phases to the challenge. It's open for 6 weeks, the first phase. And what we're looking for there is the ideas that will help hopefully spawn these next killer applications that we talked about during my presentation. So there's 6 weeks of challenge 1, and then the challenge 2 is the actual application development, which will go on for about 7 months, where people will actually build applications based on the ideas that come in.
And I understand there are fabulous cash prizes.
There are indeed. There's $25,000 total of cash prizes available for the first phase. There's 5 $5,000 prizes, and then in the second phase there's $225,000 available, prizes 1 through 3 at $50,000, $75,000, and $100,000.
Who should enter this competition?
Anyone that has a good idea, especially in the first phase. This ideation phase, as we're calling it, is really geared at the manufacturing community, and we're really hoping to engage the universities and academia to bring in ideas. Maybe they're not familiar with manufacturing, but they're just good at looking at numbers, and they can identify potential areas for applications.
So if anyone wants to enter, how do they find out more?
And our specific site is at mtconnect.challenge.gov, and when you go to that site you can register and actually become a follower, and you'll get pushed information as it becomes available, and then that's where you actually have to submit your ideas and then your applications for the second phase.
Very exciting. Thank you so much for your time today, John.
Thank you much.
Stay tuned for more exciting news from MC2 2013, the MT Connect Conference. For IMTS TV, this is Penny Brown.